Yun, magandang hapon mga ka-basic. Na-repair na natin ang mga crack sa wall. Napinturahan na rin natin siya paikot. Ngayon, baseboard naman ang ating gagawin. Basic lang din ang paggawa ng baseboard mga ka-basic. Simple lang yan. Kuha lang tayo siyempre, dating gawi, isang lapis. At siyempre isang height. Simple lang din. Itututok mo lang yan dyan ka-basic oh. Tuloy-tuloy lang yan ka-basic. Makagawa ka na ng baseboard. Hindi na kailangan magsukat-sukat pa niyan. Ayun oh.
While we are not given any concrete information as to where Charles originated from, we can garner some snippets of telling information from various notes discoverable across the game world. From a stone tablet we find, it appears that Charles existed on this island since the days of the cave.
Lang sa mga pambahay lang na diskarte. Ito lang yan.
After laying dormant for many years, it appears to have been a mining operation that awakened Charles.
Napaka-basic lang yan
When looking at Charles, we notice his train carriage features the Charles Mining Company logo. This suggests that this demonic spider was awakened in a spiritual form, then taking his physical form inside one of the mining company trains. It was a rich landowner named Warren Charles III who was responsible for populating the island with a group of miners and their families. Warren hired these people to dig for gold in the mines that had belonged to his family for generations. After Warren discovered some odd
Yun lang, basic.
Ayun
Pag baseboard na tayo dyan,
out similar structures and excavating